Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can collect emails through Google Sites. So without further ado, let's begin. First, go to sites.google.com and log in on your Google account. Then you can either start a blank site or you can start working on a previous file that you've already started. Now, to begin, we're going to go to the right corner and we're going to scroll down and click on button. Now, let's say I'm going to type in sign in. Now, we're going to need to have a link where we will collect the emails from. So, on another tab, go to docs.google.com and then let's start a new form. Now, let's enter a description. Say, it's going to be workspace. You can add your description here. And then, as you can see, we have an untitled question. So first, we're going to go to settings. We're going to scroll down on the form defaults. And we're going to click here and put in responder input. After that, go to responses. As you can see, we still have 0 responses right here. Now, from here, you can see there is now an email option where they can add an email. But we still have the untitled question. So, click on this button right here. And as you can see, you can now change it to short answer. And let's say, you're going to type here their full name. And let's make it a required question. From here, we're going to link this to Google Spreadsheets. Then create. After that, this is the spreadsheet where all the responses that you will get would be added. Now, we're going to go back to Google Forms and then we're going to publish. After that, click on copy right here and copy link. Then we're going to go back to Google Sites and we're going to paste our link and insert. Now, let's try it. First, click on publish. And then, as you can see, we have our button right here. So clicking here should bring us to our Google Forms that we made earlier. And as you can see, it's now here. So let's input an email. Then let's put in a full name. And click on submit. And the response is recorded. Now to check, go to the Google spreadsheet that will link this Google form on. And as you can see, it is now collected the email that we just inputted successfully. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!